Our next tab is output options. One of our first settings here are some of our Catalyst options. And one of the options is extracting full text, and that is optional for Catalyst. It's not required. Another option is to put the full text in a native output folder, so that instead of being in a separate full text folder, it'll appear inside of your native folder. And then finally, the last option is to enable Catalyst Fast Track, which will zip up your items, and then you can use that to push it up to Catalyst. Next is the prefix. You can set a prefix here to your liking, and that will be appended to the front of your control number. So that's the 00001 number, and then you would have Pro 0001 instead if you chose to put a prefix on there. Next is your start sequence. This will determine what number you start at, what control number you start at for a particular process, and then it also has the leading zeros, and that's the padding that's there. And then you can adjust that, to whatever number you feel is appropriate, and then also to let you know your last sequence here, which will just be the last sequence of processing. And then the native file options here, you can change this so that NSFs, instead of producing a TXT file as its native format, will produce an MSG, so that the attachments will be part of that particular output item. And then you can convert those into PST through Message Importer if you'd like. And then also we have the multi-threaded processing, which allows you to adjust whether you want a native review bridge to use multiple threads, and then the number of threads that you want. Up to 8 threads can be specified. And that's it for output options. Thank you.